Until I was 9, I lived in Syria with my family. I would see my aunts and uncles every day. My great-uncle Ahmed lived next door. He kept canaries and I helped him look after them. Then the bad people came. The bad people took my uncle. They killed so many. Daddy took us to Lebanon. We travelled in a taxi and had to go through 14 checkpoints. My sister and I cried a lot. We were very frightened.
We were happy when we reached Lebanon, but we were not allowed to go to school, and we didn't have enough food to eat, and there were bad people there too. They beat my father.
When we came to Britain, we could not speak English and my sister and I were still scared. We came to Ystradgynlais in Wales to stay and Mommy said, "We are safe now, my daughters." Being here has made me very happy. I can go to school and we have really nice neighbors. Mr. Williams, who lives across the street, keeps canaries and at weekends I feed them. Sometimes when I get sad, I imagine my home in Syria and I pretend that they are my uncle Ahmed's birds, that they escaped from Syria and found their way to Wales too.